You know, with the holidays or any special occasion coming up, one of the things that a lot of people like to do is do a special beef cut. And one of the things that comes up more times than not is, let's do prime rib. But there's a lot of people that have a little trepidation or have reluctance to do that because prime rib is an expensive cut of meat. And it's also one that you don't want to overcook or don't want to not do correctly because you won't have as good an eating experience. So hopefully today we'll have an opportunity to show you some things about selection, preparation, and serving a prime rib.